Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter in a Visa Vanilla gift card on your Xbox Series X or S. Now, this is easy to do. Let's go up to top to settings and select this. Then go to account, go to the right and go to payment and billing. Then we want to go to payment options. Then go to add a new payment method right here. And we want to go to credit or debit card and select this. Then for the cardholder name, we could try our real name and enter that in. Otherwise, a lot of these vanilla gift cards, you'll have to enter in something like gift card. Just put this in and then put a space and then capital C, just like this. And it should be able to go through, then enter in the card number, then the expiration for the month and the year and the CVV code. Now, the CVV code should be 3 digits on the back of the card. And then go to next, and it should go through and it should be listed under here. And we can choose the payment method then, and we can add funds to our Xbox wallet. And then we can purchase something through the Microsoft Store. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.